Sponsored by RxCardClub.com. Get a free prescription drug card and save up to 85% on prescription drugs. RxCardClub.com. What are the different types of buprenorphine/naloxone? Buprenorphine and naloxone is a combination medicine used for the maintenance treatment of opioid dependence in adults. It is available in sublingual film and sublingual tablet dosage forms under the brand names Suboxone Zubsolv Bunavail, discontinued, and Cassipa, discontinued. Buprenorphine is a long-acting, partial opioid agonist that is used in people who are addicted to shorter-acting opioid drugs, such as heroin, hydrocodone, oxycodone, morphine and fentanyl, to reduce the withdrawal symptoms and cravings associated with opioid dependence. Naloxone is an opioid antagonist that works to discourage people who are dependent on intravenous, opioids from injecting the buprenorphine/naloxone combination. Buprenorphine/naloxone is used as part of a complete treatment program that also includes counseling and behavioral therapy. Because the buprenorphine/naloxone combination contains buprenorphine, which belongs to the class of drugs called narcotic analgesics, it is listed under Schedule 3 of the Controlled Substances Act CSA, due to its potential for abuse. Buprenorphine/naloxone formulations available in the United States. Brand. Dosage form. Administration. Use. Company. Approved. Generic available, Cassipa. Discontinued. Sublingual film. Once daily. Opioid dependence. Teva Pharmaceuticals USA Incorporated. 2018. No. Bunavail. Discontinued. Buccal film. Once daily. Opioid dependence. Biodelivery Sciences International Incorporated. 2014. No. Zubsolv. Sublingual tablets. Once daily. Opioid dependence. Arexo US Incorporated. 2013. No. Suboxone. Sublingual film. Once daily. Opioid dependence. Indivior Incorporated. 2010. Yes. Suboxone. Discontinued. Sublingual tablets. Once daily. Opioid dependence. Indivior Incorporated. 2002. Yes. Related questions: how long does Suboxone stay in your system? How long does Suboxone block opiates? Does Suboxone show up on a drug test? RxCardClub.com. Get a free prescription drug card and save up to 80% on prescription drugs.